Hi, I'm from Techie Dialogue. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix double audio in Premiere Pro, step by step. If you're hearing overlapping or duplicate audio tracks in your project, don't worry, I'll guide you through the simple fixes to solve this issue. And before we get started, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more editing tips and tricks. Let's jump in. Step 1. First, let's locate the source of the double audio. This usually happens when your clip contains both the original audio from the camera and an external audio track. To fix this, go to the audio track mixer or the timeline and identify the tracks that are playing simultaneously. Step 2. To mute the unwanted audio, simply go to your timeline and click the Mute button on the audio track you don't need. This ensures only one audio source is playing. Step 3. If you want to permanently remove the extra audio track, right-click on your video clip in the timeline and select Unlink. This separates the audio from the video. Then, click on the unwanted audio track and hit Delete on your keyboard. Step 4. For more precise control, you can adjust or completely disable audio channels. Right-click on your clip in the project panel and choose Modify Audio Channels. In this window, you can control which audio channels are active and ensure only the necessary audio is being used in your timeline. Step 5. Finally, make sure to play back your project and double-check that the double audio issue has been resolved. If needed, you can tweak levels or reapply effects to improve the quality of your main audio track. And that's it! You've successfully fixed the double audio problem in Premiere Pro. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.